I'm a practitioner, not a consultant. I turn founder-led B2B SaaS companies into revenue systems the founder can walk away from. I document every play and process so it stays installed after I leave, and I do. If you're a B2B SaaS founder stuck between 1 and 10 million ARR, your Monday probably looks something like this. Your 2 best sales reps hit quota last quarter. Your revenue is still flat. Your forecast keeps sliding. CRM full of committed opportunities with no next step date. Every important conversation still runs through you. You're not lazy. Your team is not necessarily broken. You built a company on founder-led selling, and now that motion is the ceiling. I fixed that. I've done it 140 plus times. So people ask me how I'm different than other fractional CROs, advisors, consultants that you've talked to. And that's a legitimate question. Most consultants show up with a framework, run your team for 6 months, hand you a deck, and leave. The playbook walks out the door with them. Their knowledge stays in their head. 6 months later, you're back to where you started. I'm the opposite. I'm a practitioner who documents the work as I do it, because a revenue system that only exists in the advisor's head isn't a system. It's a dependency that does not scale. Everything I install with a client is written down and documented. That's why I published 2 books on selling, real-world selling strategies. The Art of the Selling Conversation is on Amazon and Spotify. That's why I generate the videos I do on the Adapt or Die channel across many platforms. Every episode's a working chapter on the method, as well as personal effectiveness. That's why I publish daily, many times a week on LinkedIn, the field notes of the current engagement in real time. The books, the podcasts, the posts, those aren't trophies. They are receipts. They prove the method is real, field tested this quarter, and repeatable by someone other than me. I also roll up my sleeves. I work on the first sales or directly with clients. There's no other way to do it. And I have the academic side, the latest research, the latest on info. That's why my clients tell me what matters the most is when I leave, the system stays. Here's what it looks like. In the first 90 days of an engagement, I typically rebuild the qualification layer so your forecast stops being fiction. Most 2 million to 8 million ARR teams find they have 30 to 40% less real pipeline than the CRM says. Next, I extract the sales system out of the founder's head onto a page your reps can actually run. After that, diagnose the 3 opportunity patterns that account for 80% of your wins and the 3 objection patterns that account for 80% of your losses. I give you back your calendar hours where you're currently spending closely every important opportunity yourself. The founders I work with don't hire me to add more activity. They hire me to make the activity they already have produce a forecast their board can trust and a revenue line that doesn't need them personally holding every opportunity together. Repeatable, scalable revenue processes. If you could remember one thing, repeatable, scalable processes. So my resume says fractional CRO, GTM strategist, 38 years in B2B sales, over 1 billion that I've worked on with teams and revenue across 140 companies on 4 continents. At TravelClick, I led the go-to-market rebuild that produced a 320% revenue growth and over 18 million in ARR in the poorest performing division. At ZipWhip, I built an enterprise motion, led to some of their first accounts, eventually ended in an $850 million Twilio acquisition. So if your Mondays, like the one I mentioned a little while ago, DM me. let's have a conversation. We can talk about it. Maybe a quick conversation. We can learn something from each other, and I'll send you a 12-question checklist that scores your qualification, fork, and founder dependency. No call required, no presentation, no email capture. If the diagnostic surfaces something you want to talk through, my calendar is one click away from there. And for further education, check out Start Hub Academy. I'm on the faculty of that organization. It's not only about sales and revenue, it's beyond sales and revenue, operations, finance, everything a founder and a startup organization needs. It's also endorsed by Y Combinator, and is really that next step after funding in some of the startup companies. So wishing you success.